Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. This tutorial is for a line dance called Ready For It, This Is It. It's gone to the song called This Is It, and that is, this dance is a 2-wall, improver level, 48 counts. It's choreographed by, I hope I pronounced his name right, Evan Van Skook. It's a really fun song. It has some stomping and gives you little places for attitude and whatnot. So let's just get started and learn it. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're just going to do a little jump forward. You're going to go forward and 1, 2, and then on 3 and 4 you're going to wiggle, you can shake, you can move your heels, you can play at kind of your own, okay? So it goes a 1, 2, and 3, 4, take it back, and 5, 6, same, 7, 8. Now it's comfortable, you can do a jump, 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 you know, 2 steps, that's great. You can also just jump it and jump it, what kind of feels natural to you on that part. So you're going, oh, 1, 2, shake, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. First count of 8 down. Second 8, take that right foot and you're going to touch front and side into a sailor step, which goes behind, side, open. Left foot does the same thing, touch, touch, behind, side, open. That counts as 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2 8s together, 6, 7, 8. Take a 1, 2, and 3, 4. Take it back, 6 and 7. Touch now. 1, 2, sailor 3 and 4, 5, 6, sailor 7, and 8. Third 8, same rhythm, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take your right foot, I'm going to face you a little bit. You're going to tap your toe and kind of invert your knee. So you're going to go like that. All right? So my right foot is going to go in, and I'm going to kick my right foot, turning a quarter, kick. Take that into a back coaster, back, together, forward. That's 3 weight changes for my new dancers. My left foot's going to do the same thing. I'm going to go in, kick it back to 12 o'clock, kick, and another coaster, back, together, forward. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And as you might imagine, people are already making that a stomp, kick, ba, 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 stomp, kick. But the choreography is here, and that's what the choreographer does. So that is the way we teach it, okay? All right, so we have 3 8s down. Let's go to the next count of 8, and then we'll put it all together. So after you've come back on your kick and your coaster step, we're going to do a nice easy rocking chair here. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. We want to get to this wall to do a quarter turn. We're going to take our hips and we're going to roll them counterclockwise as I step right and roll and right and roll. So each step is an 1/8 of a turn. So that counts with the rocking chair as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You want to make sure you're weighted on your left foot. So even though this is a 2-wall dance, during the dance you will be facing the other walls for part of it. Okay? There's 2 more 8s, but let's go back to the beginning. Starting 6, 7, 8, right, left, 2, 3, 4, and back, 6, 7. Here's your point. 1, 2, sailor, 3, and 4. Again, 5, 6, 7. So kick it in and out. Kick, 3, and 4. That's a coaster. 6, 7. Rocking chair goes 1, 2, 3, quarter turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're at 9 o'clock. This next section is a nice stomp into a weave. I'm going to turn my back so it's easier for you to see. You take your right foot and you stomp it out, and then shift your weight into a back weave, back, side, front. You do the same thing on the left. It goes stomp and back, side, front. Practice that again. Stomp and back, side, front. Stomp and back, side, front. That's 1 count of 8. You're here. That's after your quarter turned. So here it will be right, left, ba, 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 left, and ba, 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 back, side, front. That stomp, you'll hear it most of the time in the music. It really totally makes sense why you're stomping on that. There's an accent. And so you really use that count as opposed to da da, you do bump and. Cool? Okay. Let's finish the dance, only one more count of 8. So I've just on my left, we're going to repeat the rocking chair here. Right, left, right, left. Instead of doing the hip rolls, we're going to stomp that foot. The right foot's going to go stamp, 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 stamp. And you're here. 4 of them. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you jump forward and start the dance again. So let's go back to the beginning. We'll put it all together and we'll do both balls. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, do something, and jump, do something, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go in, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, we're turning now. 5, 6, stomp and recover. 1, 2, 3, and 4, backside front. 6, 7, and 8. Rocking chair. 3, 4, stomp. 6, start it again. Oh, 1, 2, and shake it out. Take it back and shake it out. Toe point, sailor. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In, kick, coaster step. In, kick, coaster step, rock, cover. Quarter turn, 5, 6, stamp that right, go out. 2, 3, and 4, go 5, 6, 7, rock again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Start the dance again. No tags, no restarts. Okay, so that's how you do the dance. Now we're going to go ahead and put some music on. Nice and upbeat. You can always slow this down when you need to. Here we go. Pick it up. Go 1. Get back. Point, point, sailor. 3 and 4 again. Toe in. Get out coaster. Left foot. Rocking chair. Roll it around. Here's your stomp right. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Forward. Stamp it out. Go. Ball up. And back. Toe point sailor. Rock. Here's your turn. Right foot out. Back in, out. Drop again. Start to 12 o'clock. Rocking chair turn. 5, 6, here's the right foot out. Right, left, right. Left, right, left.
Get ready for it. and that it wasn't too hard to learn. As I mentioned right when the song started, if you don't know this and you're watching this on YouTube, if you go to the little settings wheel, it will give you a place for playback speed. So if you need to slow it down, you can do it there and practice it at a little slower speed, and when you get a little more confident, just bump it up. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and take the time to share the video, comment, like it. I really appreciate it. If you're in the Los Angeles area, look me up. I teach here regularly, and I really hope to see you on the dance floor. Thanks.